cabbage. Nti akwalaa ni maame no meka tse place me be ya dwen mu oduru si maame no ne mu bebre ye nnua odaba nnua odo na kitanyansa men ko maame ni fie yo nti ye bebre ti ha suni ban a ye de kutia onyankopon aba no ya ma enko ya nim ya face ya kata ya maso. It means at times when somebody is doing something I see and I don't want to talk about it, I just say you get as a kasa ho so nkasa kasa ho a me feel that ye nim de ane wo fam say yes ye Christopher ensu ye nnua odo aba honhom no ene dan odo aba a Christopher ye nya atwom Kristo ni ehu ni nua se I couldn't remember say me kwa ye biase na me hu se amount for life skirt ni wa pa ni wa pa echi me hu o ma na me fi se omo ye abonye fo pa bare kire mesua kire ni kwa kire no ana me hu se we should not judge. Brother say, who are you to judge? Who are you to judge? But yetimi puaten Yesuma no. Wodi ye hwe ya maame dana samoa. Sende dana samoa eni shatawale gina me peki shatawale. Oha. Tieriyo sende maame dana samoa de ni gina ho. Near the Shatawale Jinawa, me piki Shatawale. Do you know why? Because of Shatawale doesn't fake. Yama me dana samwe nyachum. Se se kwade enkwase kasa na ye free de numba. O kasa sabi ni ho. O kasa pum sani ya sabi ejana mfi ni toba. Tia de onu ni Shatawale Jinawa. Me tusu Shatawale. Abraham ameda na samwa to nyomo no when dua odaba odua hatred odua hypocrisy enu na na adadi no aka first hu hotel oto nyuma ma yenipa hu se hotel kura no ye Kristo ni na utukwa na akoda enam se wi asefo akoda honti no eye bone pa besa ma me na ne wo se twa ne ho entade na o crucify no Sana wabe wuse entade ne mu ode pa. Entade ketwa se mu ode. Slave queen is sana mu ode. What do you say? It's a Kristo fu ye nua odapa. Ye nua honhom no. Ananu ya na mami dana samo se na kwala one ne na ma wia 40 million. Nti wa ma ya chi na o video no e de ba. Mami wire fisa aba etu fisa se be ma Shatawale na obi wi 4,000 and continue mama so forget this man he be poor man o council ani pa nya dan entenase ente Christopher ye nya twom ye mani pa hu si ye han ene mami da na samoa se o slave for Christ. O slave for Christ. O so so awuti ya wuti nyame asamo. Ene wo slave ma hwan. Ene pa ka che da na asamo so ko nya sile ato dem ba bia ofiri no. So akoto nwuma cheche no oboa. Obehye mabo atenten na wasua hye. Wahye tare a ene ne pons no ya ohuru abo so ya abrewa ma abrewa. Ya titibo na nimu a ono okro no ene urade nyankopon hu ye mobo o hu ye mobo ko
na honhom aba ne odo enijie asumdwe
abodwochere eti a Christopher ye ni to ye crucify church. Yet church in the pontem. Menyini sɛ maame ada na sama kran kwa de pons betare nanim. Ɛyɛ den na naro abehu no kure no. Enti nia wa odi na no aka for so many years. Ade atia wo mu ti pons no. Ɛna obetima correct. Ɛnɛ saa de na Bible ka sɛ wanum asɛm. Ɛna be cheche wo. Proverbs chapter 6 no. Was saa de wano hyɛbɔ a wanum asɛm na na be sum wafidie. Eti embebre wa ha ensem bia yakeka no hwɛ ma me sika edo na wonya bi ntia na wonya bia na bo sentare pa wo ehu hia ha kanini ye shatare ba ko pede kanyame asemo enne da na samoa awon sikras one dem wo se ehu so ye den ehu hia waba back to his senses. I'm only bonifa free. Only bonifa cheo. When we say, it's what chini power cheo. But also the young one I watch here no. By na watch here no. Not Christian na be back. Sister, I mean, can why they come on? May campaign amount. No, a second one. May campaign amount. Well, a buy one city. Do I 5? Why say? O wie na sa nkoso na se wa wo ye kwase ampani ade a wukumba wo kaye bebrebe da na ade ye mani panti ase se wo ye nyame ba ne awani te ho no yema wo kra no nso nya dan aninje no se dan. God bless you. Se wantimi ama wo kra ani anyi odaba na ye honhom no wantimi anua obi ntimi nua ama wo. And one of baby because I say, forgive yourself, then you can forgive somebody. I am from so be bad. You can't forward the chow. Forward the check. One for the chow for the ah. Ababa kuma. Mena na we are odi mo akotintin kwase asem wo mu pa. Wode me maame. Omudin kwasi asampa omu dadai ejiji sika we nche somebody ye aduana mabusua no omu de 1,800 pen amount so mfa no mu fanka no papa pani we di ade no wantimi anka nkyere me ma me sa ade a wode ye wo mane unua no na nye jai omu wie no me sans spending another money to feed people ye nyo bi panka nche se kwasi ni a wo ye ni nyame nhira wo ne unua no mo. I'm here to be my minister from Scotty. What the America they call 12,000. There's no human rights, not 6 points. Now, I'm sure we say, the cancer me and supper. Now, I'm more putting in a to curb a demo. I should be about so. I can't pehunu omunya ho omunya busua we. Etimi mama tram. A bit is a sister will see we. Ye book on your busua so so abetrem mu ode. Etimi mama si papa. Ya odaba. Onim Sunday me office and apatututu. And the papa na wodi mu di abro no. Omtimi odi etitu mu amkoto abusua sase tu. Asafo let us say unam so mabedu office ti. Oh we dey anka bibi na me ka kire wo. Come here 200 Ghana cedi. Kabenya bidia. Kabe me de pa. Sas can be on my phone. So for moi, or see where this of was salvation army. About retirement and your major. And this man is practicing the wickedness. Is practicing the wickedness. Selling family land. Rough. Oh, she can hear 200 Ghana. I want to be blocking. Me blocking it straight. Me blocking him. You don't say WhatsApp. So me say blocking account. Me want not test. So from me a matter of testing me. Oh, prophet, I've get the 200 CDs from somewhere. I want that man. It doesn't deserve to the kingdom of God. A Christopher Yantum, we cannot forgive ourselves. We need to forgive ourselves before. See, I'm fire home from Swancha. Yeah, Ufumobia was a papa me patcho. Media chemi home. Inti mami fan chemi. And you are fighting against men of God. To be home, or with their software term, and then one they need to the prophetic office. Are you mad? Are you serious? Yeah, why? And Obaba and Tia Begma Nama Pro. Nana Papa da also be Nama Pro Quayan, and Nama Dogomi. It's when we are Gogomia, Bible said, who come at you, no some pet near of shitting Yanko point in you. Near of shitting, meaning Nimum. It's where the car shitting Yamia in you, where the car say Yanko Pong, what me at Tompu and Yamia Jumaho. At me, dear software. And you call yourself, say, it's a hard time I over kingdom of God. You have been cursed. The kind for chow, not the kind apple. The kind for chow. I'm sure social media be bad. Me a software bar, me a D4, Yamin Sawameso. How dare you? What you say? I'm more at all. Ah, what the software them? What cassette your software? What the shark. Now what I say? And then the master. So by a poor the generation and yen never have. So generation is new generation ever. So for mimic was said to Dimatam man fancha me one fancha. I can destroy you. Seconds. If you touch me, you are finished. No, I say, but this of what them. I can't hear any software. And the baby class saw down where baby saw on see mommy. Come we are singing and people buy it. Like I said, and then my software panny and what panny. If you want to come to the ministry of God, the kind for chow, the kind for chow before you can give to others. Me whom farmer to be the kingdom and plant what they are chow. You have been offended. I hate to be fancy. That you want to say, Bibia Boko. When you are friend, that you want to say, Bibia Boko. If you 45 minutes after say, in fact, in Sikasa. No, François, or friend me, mammy, no, friend is wa. No, a friend from us have a cost in the bus. Kokusikasa, Mama Kokusika, Kokusikasa. Eh, Okos could just me. Eh, we are sending me pressure cost. Don't fucking shit, baby. I said, Daddy, I'm sorry. Daddy, I'm sorry. And I'm so to say, well, maybe I'm to me, maybe for me a wicked. They are evils. Who mammy grants so grant to me, Joe. The sisters come for Caprama. So maintain me. Stop nonsense. I was Daddy, I'm sorry. And I'm saying, sorry for yourself. Who was school? Who called just 2 weeks and I'll buy your provision. Who baby and son I'll buy. Who seek the man and son I'll buy. Who call my mission as I expect you. Who go to school 2 weeks? You are calling for money. Why? Get out of my life. I said, I'm sorry. Where we are. Now we know how to find money. But he doesn't know how to find money. But he knows how to eat the money. And it's my prayer. Said but until you forgive yourself, then you can achieve the love of seed or daba. No, say they.
Na umma bane ayemiye. Papa ye.
Papa ye.
Jidie.
Jidie.
Ojo ni enidaho.
And rather me catch us say, Papa, one of the key out the stone. As the one my job about Okrade Piabayado. And if you cannot do it, that's where the challenges will come. It's also be our nanti and nanti efi our bread or sunyaman that you pay for. If you go home in there. If you have money in your pocket, you add a little for it. Then you see how God will bless you. And we cannot do it. And we are preaching about that. The court does them. So don't your man call.
I say, Embrabier no etia yenu.
Embrabier ni wa etia yenu.
So na wana oye Kristo Yesu dia no abo ho na hye so de ne na kono mu asennue mu.
Tio, wo a oye Yesu Kristo dia de, wo abo na kono dua mu abo bibi